How to move Spotify account to new phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go ahead and show you the steps on how you can move Spotify account to new phone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now, transferring your Spotify to new device isn't any harder. It is actually pretty simple. All you gotta do is make sure that you have the credentials for Spotify. So what you can do is head over to Spotify, head over to your profile icon and tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on account and view your username or email. Make sure you have your email and make sure you have access to this as well. And if you do not remember the password, you can always reset the password if you have access to your email, right? Then all you gotta do is open up your Spotify, install the Spotify on your new device that you would like to transfer your account to. Then tap on login, and once you tap on login there, you want to select enter in your email address and enter in your password, or you can use forgot password option to reset it. This is how you can easily move Spotify account to the new phone or new device. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.